Describe a place in a village that you visited. You should say where it is, when you visited this place, what you did there, and how you feel about this place. Answer. One of the most peaceful and beautiful places I have ever visited is a village in South Surma, located in the Sylhet district of Bangladesh. This village is surrounded by lush green fields, winding rivers, and tall palm trees, making it a perfect escape from the noise and pollution of city life. I visited this village last year during a vacation, as I wanted to take a break from my busy routine. The journey itself was amazing. The fresh air, the scenic beauty, and the peaceful atmosphere instantly made me feel relaxed. During my visit, I spent most of my time exploring the natural beauty of the area. I walked through the paddy fields, enjoyed the breathtaking views of the Surma River, and even took a boat ride. The locals were incredibly welcoming, and I had the chance to taste traditional homemade Bengali food, which was absolutely delicious. Another memorable experience was visiting a tea garden nearby, where I learned about tea cultivation and enjoyed a fresh cup of Sylheti tea. What I loved most about this village was the simplicity and warmth of the people. Life there is slow and peaceful, far from the stress of modern cities. It reminded me of how important it is to stay connected with nature and appreciate the little joys of life. Overall, my visit to South Surma's village was an unforgettable experience. The beauty of the landscape, the friendly people, and the relaxing environment made it a perfect getaway. If I get the chance, I would love to visit again and spend more time enjoying the natural charm of rural Bangladesh.